Today I have with me Debapriya. He is going to share his valuable placement process experience with us.
So thank you, Anne, for the introduction. So at first I have to say that my whole interview process was really a rigorous one because I have classes after and before the interview. Not only that, my apti exam of the interview was in my exam, during my exam. So like giving an exam, then giving the apti, then again studying for the next day exam was really a tough one. But always I keep my focus, and that's give my result. I get the chance, I get the opportunity.
So how did Praxis help you in this journey of yours?
So the first day when I come to Praxis, my only target was to get a job from Praxis, and I hope like it is a goal for every one of you. So I think on the very first day, not only the faculty, each and every student, my colleagues, my friends, everyone has helped me to get my goal, and I have to say that like all their efforts has helped me to get this opportunity to get my chance to get placed in a company like PwC. Really grateful to them and to Praxis.
So any piece of advice or guidance that you like to give it to your juniors?
So to juniors, I can give very many kind of like advice, like study this subject, give more focus on that part, you will have this kind of questions, but I don't think that will help you. This will just help you to get numbers. But the only main important advice I like to give to you all, that you in Praxis, the faculty are really versatile and they know much more than you think. So get this opportunity, try to extract the most knowledge you can get from them, try to apply them, and they are already there, they can always help you. So get your chance, get that ready. Thank you.